So let's get started with the Schema Ninja plugin. In order to use this plugin, the first thing that you need to do is buy this plugin and get your license key, the API key that we provide to you, and then go off to the upload plugin section in your WordPress, select the plugin zip from where you downloaded it and install the plugin. After you are done with the installation of the plugin, activate it, and once you have activated this plugin, you are all set to use it now. And you can just scroll down to see whether it's active or not, and check the version number in your WordPress plugin settings. And once you are good to go, then you need to maybe clear your cache and clear all levels of cache that you have on your website in order to start using this plugin. And let's get started with the basic settings of the Schema Ninja plugin, because once you are set with the plugin installation and everything, then you need to know how to use it. So here's the section where you have your license key and your API key, one single license for one single site. That's the region where you have to enter your API key in order for the plugin to be active. Once you have activated your copy of the Schema Ninja plugin, then you have to head over to the review settings and recommendation settings. In the review settings, you can just set up your custom CSS, or you can set up the different monikers that you want for specs, overview, and the buy now button for your affiliate URLs. For people who want to change the output of the plugin, you are always free to use the custom CSS option in order to modify the output to match your website's theme and overall design. Keeping these aside, we also have the recommendation settings, wherein we have set up the get 20% off on WordPress hosting in this option, and we have selected the position to top. You can also create more recommendations and then show them, and you have the options to show them position will be top to bottom or any other position that you might like with the help of a shortcode. And you have the review settings and recommendations. So setting up reviews, how do you set up the reviews? Just open up any post of yours and you can type a whole new post in case you want to, and scroll down to the bottom section wherein you have the review. If you are using a SEO plugin, then always make sure to have all of the guidelines fulfilled when you are doing your post, and always have the excerpt section filled. Then you have the review option, and you can show the review or not show the review. You have the option of top or bottom. You can select the title. You have the option to fine tune almost everything that shows up in the output review box, from title, currency, and general rating to overall minute rating of different components. For example, this is a smartphone review, so we have used battery, performance, and other standards about the build and the camera quality in order to review the smartphone, and we have set a general rating out of 10. So you have a lot of options to select from, and you can use the plus and minus buttons to increase your number of options, increase the number of fields in your ratings. So you can enter your preferred rating, enter your parameter, and then enter a value. And the plus minus buttons are just intuitive and easy to use while using the Schema Ninja plugin. You can also set your pros and cons, and a list of pros and cons can be done, and you have the similar plus minus functionality to remove or add more pros and cons regarding the product that you are reviewing. And you also have a different specifications section wherein you can add your specifications and then add the values regarding the specifications, what you feel about the product. And at last, you have the link wherein you can put your affiliate link or a buy link for the product, and you can fill up the summary for the product so that the user has a better idea what the product is about and what you feel about the product, and to know why do you recommend it. So these are all of the sections, and you can also set up the custom text for your review button, for the specifications button, for the summary, and for the try now button. In case you just want people to try something, or you want them to buy something, you can always select different options for that. And you can see Schema Ninja plugin in action, the output itself. How does the output look like? So this is what the output looks like. You get a proper star rating, pros and cons in a very nice package. You get the general rating on top with the currency, and in case you haven't filled up the specs or any other section, then that won't be visible. So that's a very nice option for the plugin that you get. And let's just test the output in Google's structured data testing tool, wherein we would get to know whether the Schema Ninja plugin passes all of the recommendations by Google for rich snippets and schema or not, so we have no errors whatsoever, and the review section comes out very nicely. We have the date modified section. This is beneficial from a point of SEO because you don't have the date published but the date modified section, so you will always have the up-to-date date in your review settings. So that's all for the Schema Ninja plugin for the review section, and let's just move forward to few more things about this plugin. And you can see that in the overall output, it does not interfere with your source code or any other thing. You just get a very nice review box out of the plugin and everything works just fine. So adding recommendations is also a very easy process. So initially we showed you that in the basic settings you can set up the recommendations to show in different places wherein you want them to, and adding a recommendation is also similar process and it's very easy. It's similar to adding a post in WordPress. So we are putting up a get 20% off on WordPress hosting thing over here, and just remove all of the unnecessary options that you don't want to fill and set up the recommendation option. From here you can select from a wide variety of currencies that we have supported in the Schema Ninja plugin, ranging from Indian rupees and euro to dollars. You have a lot of options over here. Select your ratings, select the pros and cons of the recommendation and why are you recommending it in the section, and just add the URL, the affiliate URL. So this is the kind of plugin which actually helped us a lot in increasing our traffic and in increasing traffic to our affiliate sales, and this has already been implemented on websites like Bloggers Ideas, Inspiredrise.com, and we have seen stellar results till now. So these are the pros and cons section. Just fill them up and just make it short, sweet and simple to make it user friendly, and we will also show you the output soon enough. So this is the cons section. Just fill in any cons, minor cons that you might want to promote about your product so that the user feels that this is something genuine, because nothing is without a con. So add the pros, add the cons, and once you are done with it, add your URL, the affiliate URL. Also make sure to add your affiliate URLs via shortening them or via using custom URLs, because that's good from an SEO viewpoint. So the Schema Ninja plugin is very much SEO optimized. All of the URLs that you get out of the Schema Ninja plugin already have a rel equals to no follow and target equals to blank tag on them, which means that none of the link juice is passed to your affiliate links. So we have kept SEO in mind for you. Add your ratings, add your field, add your values for the different things you feel that are good about the product, and once you are done with all of this, you can just save this as a draft, or you can publish the recommendation and disable all of the extra options that you might not want for this. Set up a featured image for the recommendation that you might want to show with the product. For example, if it's a GoDaddy hosting, you might want to have the 20% off banner with this. You also have the shortcode option, so you can use the shortcode in your theme and in different widgets etc wherein you want to show the recommendation. So that's really great. And moving forward, let's just publish this up. You can save draft, you can use the publish button to just publish this, and when you try to open this URL from a different viewpoint, you won't get to the URL, you would be redirected to the home page. So this makes sure that you don't pass your link juice anywhere else, and when you use the recommendations, they would show up on your post page and they look really good. So let's just scroll down and show you the recommendations. This is the kind of thing that helps you to get more traffic to your affiliate links, more traffic to the products that you recommend, and get overall more value for whatever you promote. As can be seen, the overall look and feel is very good for this recommendation box. So this was all about how to set up the Schema Ninja plugin for best results, and in case you still have any questions or any doubts whatsoever, leave them in the comment section below and we will be more than happy to assist you.